Hey guys, it's Michael on YouTube, and today I want to cover a very important topic regarding the minimum deposit and funding your trading account with a binary option broker. Now, I'm getting a lot of emails lately from some investors who are trying to fund their account with $200, $300, and they're getting calls from representatives offering them free training in exchange for a much higher deposit, often ranging between $1,000 to even $5,000, which I find ridiculous. I mean, if you're just starting out and you're not even sure or confident about trading, you have no experience with Forex or any investments, then you shouldn't deposit so much. The risk is really high, and since it's a high risk and high profit investment, if you start off with $200, $300 and you're doing good, you'll be able to build it up very quickly. I've been doing it for 2 years and I never deposit so much when I start off. Now, unfortunately, this is a common business practice with many industries, with cell phone companies, with television companies, and with pretty much every service you sign up with, they're always going to try to upgrade the sale. And think about it, these representatives are probably getting compensation for getting you to deposit more than the minimum. Otherwise, they're probably not going to get any compensation. So they might tell you that they're concerned with your well-being and with the fact that you can diversify the risk much better. But at the end, if they're calling you twice a day, then you know something is suspicious. I mean, they have an interest to get you to deposit more, and it's not always in your best interest. So keep in mind that, I mean, if you're trying to test out different strategies and you burnt out the $200 you started with, then you can always deposit $100 more, $200 more. You don't have to start with $1,000. Now, as far as the training, so you might want to still get the training. However, you should know that they're not going to advise you, they're not going to trade for you, they're not going to make any decisions for you. At the end, they're just going to introduce you to the platform, tell you how it works, tell you what assets they recommend that you trade, but they're not really going to, trade for you or help you to become profitable. It's not in their best interest. The broker is not your friend. You're working alone with the markets. You need to develop your own strategies. You can sign up with signal services, but you need to do it on your own, and don't count on the broker. Now, if you ask me what is the recommended deposit amount, I believe that you should start with the minimum. At the most, if you're not under financial stress, you can start with $500. This way you can maybe diversify the risk better and test out different strategies. Now, keep in mind that some platforms will let you trade $5 minimum per trade. So that means you have a lot of money to work with and test out different strategies. You don't have to start with $5,000. Now, it doesn't mean that they're trying to scam you because they're trying to get you to deposit more, but they're not working in your best interest, and you should know and you should take things for what they are. These people are salespeople. They might tell you that they're professional traders. However, if they were professional traders, they probably wouldn't be working for these platforms and they would trade on their own. Now, what I recommend doing is, if you're starting an account, what you can do is you can always put a wrong number or just not provide them with your personal number. This way they're not going to contact you. And if you have any question, you can always contact their support. And this way, when you start your account and when you sign up with the platform, they're not going to call you twice a day. Now, also, if they offer you a bonus, don't take it. It will lock your money in with the platform. I repeat that very often because I'm still getting a lot of emails from people who sign up with a bonus and they cannot get access to their funds until they generate a really high volume of trades. So nothing in life is free. If anyone's offering you free money, it's not true. So guys, if you have any questions about any of the brokers or about any questions regarding deposits, you can always email me or leave a comment, and I would love to correspond with you. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.